In this video we'll look at the section calculator. We access it by from the scoring menu, pairs contests, and then a section calculator button there. Now what this does is given a given number of tables and number of sections, then it will assess what movements are available for the particular arrangement. So we select the number of tables, let's say 15, and number of sections, 1 or 2. Of course, at the moment it only works for 2 sections, but I'll update that for more sessions sometime in the future. Once we've made our selection, then update now, and it displays the list of options there. So for 15 tables, 2 sections, we've got 3 options displayed. It's actually filtered, there are more options, but I'll get to that later. So we've got a 7 table hesitation Mitchell and an 8 table Mitchell, or 2 howls, 7 and 8 tables, or a 7 table twist and bungee and an 8 table hesitation Mitchell. We've got some filters up the top here. By default we're showing sessions with board numbers 24 to 28, but we can make a selection of any number of boards there, or we can just click the all to show all movement options that are available for 15 tables. And here's an option here, playing 30 boards, 7 tables of extended twist and bungee, and an 8 table normal twist and bungee. This assessment here is just a subjective assessment of what these movement types are like. Wouldn't worry about that too much. So what other filter options have we got here? We can say, well, I don't want to show extended twist and bungee movements. So if I unclick that and then OK, then those movements are now filtered out. So you can sort of pick and choose between the movements that you want to display, and that's it. And then we've got a good bad indicator here, and I mean there are some options here with which have been subjectively assessed as being bad. The Werger 24. Whatever. Oops. So anyway, after that interruption, so yeah, it displays the movements that are bad, but we don't usually want to do that, so unclick that. Let's have another look at another option. Let's say 24 boards, 2 sections, 24 tables, and now we've got a whole heap of options here. And as I said before, we can say, well, just the 24 table options, and we've got 3 displayed, or a 26 table option. There's heaps available there, including Appendix Mitchell. As I say, if we don't want to show the Appendix Mitchell, or the 1.5 tables, or the Select Shuffle, or the whatever, we just untick them, and then they'll disappear from the list. That's about it. Well, no, one more thing. We can print the movement guides for the each section. If we just click and select these, the arrangement that we want to print for, and then print movement guide, and then we go through the process there. And so I'll just do the first one, bring it up in PDF, cancel the second one. Okay, this is the first movement. So it's the howl, 11 tables, 26 boards. It's got the notes related to that movement, and then it's got the guide cards. Well, don't look very good really, but anyway, that's by the by. I'll fix that up some other time. And that's about it for the section calculator.